All right, welcome back to Bronco's Parts Garage. This is part 3 of the Godzilla swap going in my 1995 formerly supercharged Ford Bronco. Josh is with us today. He's been a guest mechanic here and he does a fantastic job around the shop. Right?
Something like that.
Not really. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Smile. Anyway, I got to package some seat foam for customers today. So what I've got Josh doing today is taking out all the non-essential wiring and taking out the fender liner. He's already taken this one out. He was very fast. I was up front. He already got the passenger side done. We're going to do this side. Then we're going to remove the hood so we don't pop the fenders out. Take the hood, set it on top of the truck, and then we're going to pull off these fenders and get it ready for the new fenders. Our main goal today is to get the engine bay cleared out, get the fenders off, and then we're going to start degreasing and cleaning this. That might be in a part 3 video. So with that, you ready? Let's get some tools and get started.
It's on fire on the floor.
What?
It's on fire.
Oh shit, that's a fuel line. That's going to the gas tank, right?
Yeah,
quick. Wait, no, it's fucking gas is coming out of here.
Put that up.
Holy shit.
Get that out.
No, don't worry, that'll burn out.
Gotta love it. It's on camera.
These trucks take on kind of a second life. Josh, make sure you don't record him if he gets hurt. But these are taking on a kind of a second life when you start tearing them apart and you see how basic they really are. We're hoping the frame rails aren't bent up. We've off-roaded this a little bit, but we haven't beat on it. There's the old motor hanging up right there. Let's take a look at that right there. That's still got the Edelbrock heads on it, the old transmission that I rebuilt poorly, and we burned it all up. With the supercharger kit, I still got to get this crank pulley off right here. You can see this doubled up one. Then we'll sell this motor. It's a high mileage, but you know, it's still a runner. The transmission's useless, but yeah, we'll sell this 351 here. Follow me over here. So over here, kind of through here, this is the bumper we took off. It's a lot more beat up than I thought it was. There's the fender flares, the old core support, the wheel liners. We're gonna clean and try to reuse as much as we can because I'm not really happy with the aftermarket. Fender liners, we've got the wiring harnesses off here. Let's take a look over here. I want to show you guys what we did, which is a really great idea, and I've been doing this for years. You guys have seen that sometimes if I'm doing a small project, I'll take the nuts and bolts out, I'll push them through cardboard, and I'll write with a marker, like, you know, fender bolt. This is going to be a little bit more intense, so as you can see, we labeled everything. Windshield wiper, reservoir bolts. What's we got here? Okay. Vacuum canister. Josh has really bad handwriting, which really sucks. Passenger core support, bracket, bolt screws. I mean, we got it all, so, you know, this is a great thing to do. AC condenser. That way there's no mismatch. Now, I might go ahead and order a rock tumbler and polish some of these. Obviously, I can't throw them all in at one time, otherwise I won't know what goes where. I'm fortunate enough to have about 15 other Broncos sitting around here, so I can always pull one in nose to nose when we're putting it back, but a lot of this stuff just isn't going to be used for Godzilla. So that about wraps it up for the day. This is part 3. Not as exciting as the other one, but it's getting better. The next video we'll do, again, will be cleaning up the front clip, cleaning up the frame rail, degreasing it, getting it ready for the motor. So we'll see you next time.